Hi everybody, my name is Myriam Crevier Saint-Pierre. I studied in special education for 3 years in Cégep Régional de Lanaudière in Joliette. A special ed educator helps person in difficulty to act on themselves in their environment so that their condition improves for an immediate or more distant purpose. In this domain, we are allowed to write several types of reports. Because I'm a French speaker, I often need help in English, so the website Virtual Writing Tutor can be a really good tool to work with. So let's see a little bit how it works. This website is full of tools that can help us with our English. If you are like me with a lot of problems, this is the website. Okay, so one of a really useful feature is the dictionary. You can click on this button like this, and a little window will appear in the middle of the screen. Let's give it a try with the word autism. You click on Look It Up, and the definition will appear. For the next example, I will take the definition of this word. I come back in the main page, and then I copy it. So the next tool I would like to show you is the text-to-speech. It works with the little icon here in the left of the screen. After having copying your text in the text area, you click on the icon to hear the pronunciation. So let's give it a try.
A condition that starts in young children and typically causes behavior that is unusually centered on the self while limiting the development of social and communication skills.
Isn't it beautiful to learn how to pronunciate the words? Now let's see another tool from this page. The button to check grammar. The icon is right here under the text area, just in the middle. You click on the icon, and the website will give you the feedback of the error it found. For example, here it tells me that the A has to be in capital letter. If I go back in my text and I change it, click again on Check Grammar. Ta-da! Like magical, when the error is corrected, the feedback disappears. So, I hope you enjoy my little presentation and that you will try this wonderful website. See you, classmates!